Hello students, welcome back to the 7th video of this playlist. In this video, we will be solving question number 7 from the recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 1, which is the May 2023 P1 paper. So let's get started with question number 7 from this paper. So right at first, you can see a figure 2. It shows two lines, y equals to kx, y equals to 10 minus twice of x, and another vertical line x equals to a, and one horizontal line at y equals 2. Okay, so the region R1 shown shaded. Region R1, you can see in the figure, it is shaded, is defined by the inequalities y greater than or equal 0, less than or equal 2, y less than or equal 10 minus twice of x, y less than or equal kx. So the this is how region R1 it is defined. Okay, where k is a constant. Okay, the line x equals a, where a is a constant, passes through the intersection of the lines y equals 2 and y equals to kx. So if you see the vertical line x equals to a, it basically passes through it intersects the horizontal line y equals to 2, and also the line y equals to 10 minus twice of x, and also the line y equals to kx. Okay, so it intersects all the three lines. Okay, given that the area of R1 is 27/4 square units, the area of region R1 is given. Fine. So part A1 is asking to find the value of A, and in part 2, basically part 1 and part 2 of question A, it's basically together. So in part 2, they're asking to find the value of k, the value of A and the value of k. Okay, so what is given here? In the question, they have given the area of the region R1. So we will use this to approach the answer. So if you see the figure, the sketch in figure 2, it's basically the region R1. It can be divided into two parts. One is trapezium. This part is a trapezium, and this part is a right angled triangle. So we will use this area to find the value of A and the value of K. Okay, so let's approach this. At first, we need to find out the area of region R1. We need this coordinate. This coordinate is what? A2, and this coordinate is A, and the y coordinate, not it's not A, the y coordinate here it is 2 because it lies on the horizontal line y equals to 2, and the x coordinate we will find it out. We have to find it out. And then this point here, the x coordinate we need to find out. The y coordinate is 0 because at the x-axis the y coordinate is 0, and we know this point it has coordinate what? A 0. Okay, now so we need to find out the x coordinate of this point and the x coordinate of the point of intersection with the x-axis of the line y equals to 10 minus twice of x. Okay, so let's figure out that at first. So part A, at the x-axis, what we know, y equals to 0. So if y equals to 0, so the equation is 10 minus twice of x equals to what? 0. So x equals to 5. So we got the x coordinate. This x coordinate is what? 5, and y coordinate is 0. Okay, fine. Now we need to find out the x coordinate of this point. So what's that point? At that point, the line y equals to 2 and the line y equals to 10 minus twice of x intersects, right? So at this point, what we can write? 10 minus twice of x equals to what? 2. Okay, now find out the x coordinate. So 2x equals to 8. So you will get what? X equals to 4. So we got the x coordinate of that point, which is 4. Now consider the area of region R1. Okay, so area of region R1. area of region R1, it's what? At first, the area of the triangle, this is half times base is the x coordinate, x equals to a, right? So this will be half of base is a times height is what? 2. This is the area of the triangle plus the area of the trapezium. Area of trapezium is half of a plus b times h, where a and b are the length of the two parallel sides. Okay, what are the two parallel sides here? The two parallel sides are this one, that is 5 minus a, and this one, which is 4 minus a. So we will write 5 minus a plus 4 minus a times h. The distance between the two parallel sides, it is what? 2. That's it. Now, what would be the sum? It will be a plus half of 2 is what? 1. So you will get 5 plus 4. This is 9 minus what? Negative 1, negative a. That would give you negative twice of a. So you will get 9 minus a. Fine. So the area of region R1, it is given as what? 9 minus a equals to 27 over 4. 27 over 4. So the value for a, it is what? 9 minus 27 over 4. That would give you the value for a, it is 9 over 4. That's the answer for part 1. Okay. Now we need to find out the value for k, part 2 as part 2. So how can we figure out the value for k? So we know that the line y equals to kx, the line y equals to kx, and the line x equals to a, and the line y equals to 2. All these three lines are intersecting at this point. Okay, so at this point, the y coordinate is what? 2, and the x coordinate is a. So what we can equate here is that kx at this point. Okay, we can write it down here. At the point of intersection between what? Between y equals to kx and y equals to 2, we can write 9. The value for the x coordinate is 9 over 4. This is x equals to a. So 9 over 4k, this is equals to 2. The y coordinate is what? 2. So k equals to what? K equals to 8 over 9. That's the answer for part 2. That's it. So we got the value for a, it is 9 over 4, and the value for k, it is 8 over 9. That's what part A has asked for. Fine. Okay, next is part B of question number 9. So here the question is asking to define the region R2, also shown shaded in figure 2 using inequalities. Okay, so we need to define the region R2. Where is region R2? This is basically the region R2. So it's pretty simple to define it using inequalities. Just consider, look, the region R2, it's what? It's below the line 10 minus twice of x. And we can see that in region R2, the line 10 minus 2x, it is what? Solid line. So what we can write here is that for region R2, for part B, region R2, it can be defined as it lies below the line 10 minus twice of x, and it's a solid line. So y less than or equal 10 minus twice of x. This is the first case we have considered, the first inequality. Fine. Second one, which line? Y equals to kx. The region R2, it's above the line y equals to kx, and this line is solid in the region R2. So we can say y is greater than or equal, the value for k is 8 over 9, so 8 over 9 x. Fine. And then we can see that the region R2, consider this line, the vertical line x equals to a. The region R2 lies on the right side of the line x equals a. So on the right side it is what? Greater than. But you can see that the region R2, in the region R2, the line x equals to a, it is basically dotted line. It's not solid. So that means we will say for region R2, x greater than, just greater than, since it's dotted line. So x greater than a. The value for a, it was 9/4. That's it. So that's how we can define the region R2. Fine. And that's the end of question number 7 from the May 2023 P1 paper.